Hi, Abba. I miss you, Abba. Abba. Abba, I want to sit down, and I like my blanket. What's going on with this? Who's moving my blanket? What's going on? Who's underneath my blanket? Are these my legs? I don't know. I think I'm getting pissed. Maybe if I'll do this with my lips, the blanket will show you what's underneath it. Hurry. 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 See you later.